Hey, what's up guys? So let's finish our last video here by discussing that how we can create the anonymous inner class using interface. And as we already know that a class that have no name is known as anonymous inner class. Now let's jump to our program to see that how do we do it. So guys, here we have this example that we used in the last video. So in order to create the anonymous in a class, we just put this open and close curly braces instead of semicolon, and this is our class. And in this class we can provide methods, like here we provided the method mango and we put some implementation, we put some messages in this. And now here we have the example for the interface, and here you can see we have an interface called car, and here we have this BMW, this is our method. And in the main function, when we creating the object, instead of putting semicolon, we are putting this open and close curly braces. And here this is our method, that is BMW, and it's the implementation of it that says it is my favorite car. And this anonymous class has some negative and some positive points, and the negative point is that you cannot reuse this class because this class has no name, it's just an anonymous class. And it has a positive point, and that is it will save your memory because you're not creating a class in actual. And later we can just call this BMW using the object name that we created, that is c underscore obj. And when we call this, when we run this program, we'll see that it is my favorite car. So let's go ahead and run the program to see the output. And here we have the output for the program, that is it is my favorite car, because this is what we were asking to print. So that's all for this vid. In the next vid we will talk about another inner classes. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments, please write down below, I would love to answer that. That's all for this, catch you in the next. Bye bye.